Top 6 Best Cat Litter for 2022. Top Picks. Hey guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best cat litter in the market. So if you're planning to buy one, then you're at the right place. Please do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy link. Let's get started. Number 1. Naturally Fresh. The Naturally Fresh Walnut-Based Quick-Clumping Cat Litter is a super easy, sustainable, and affordable swap for traditional clay clumping litter. When we first opened up the bag, it smelled as we would have expected, similar to walnuts. It was a bit earthy smelling when wet, but we found that it trapped odors over time. The litter was otherwise unscented, and the initial smell faded further after a couple of days. We have a covered litter box for Juno, since we live in a small apartment and don't want to risk our home smelling bad. This litter was delivered. It did a great job covering the odors. One of the most significant benefits of this litter is that no added chemicals are used to deodorize the litter. The walnut shells are non-GMO, biodegradable, and annually renewable. This is great for cats and the planet. We had great peace of mind knowing that no toxic chemicals were used at any point. Since walnut shells are off-cast from walnut processing plants, there will always be leftover walnut shells to make the litter. The naturally fibrous material of the walnut shell is super absorbent, which also makes the litter last longer. Number 2. Purina Tidy. Keep your cat's litter boxes tidy with Purina Tidy Cat's lightweight, free and clean, unscented with ammonia blocker clumping multi-cat litter. This unscented cat litter is free from fragrances and dyes, and the low dust composition means it pours easily and cleanly into the litter box. Activated charcoal in the clay cat litter absorbs odors on contact, while an ammonia blocker prevents ammonia odor from forming for 14 days when used as directed. It helps keep your home smelling fresh. Weighing half as much as the leading clay clumping cat litter, this Tidy Cat's lightweight cat litter is also easy to carry, pour, and store to make taking care of the litter pan easy. The odor control cat litter formula helps lock in moisture, keeping your cats comfortable. Rest easy using this unscented lightweight cat litter for your whole cat family. Knowing Tidy Cats makes it a brand most often recommended and personally used by veterinarians. Number 3. Fresh Step. Fresh Step Odor Shield with Febreze Freshness Scented Clumping Cat Litter contains carbon to inhibit bacterial odor for up to 10 days and tight clumping clay for easy litter box maintenance. In this scented formula, a paw-activated fragrance is released every time your cat uses the litter box, providing odor control as needed without being overpowering. The high-quality clump lock technology in this litter quickly absorbs liquids while trapping odors on contact to form tight clumps, leaving virtually no stinky crumbles after scooping, making cleaning fast and easy. Odor Shield with Febreze Freshness Clumping Cat Litter has a low dust formula designed for cleaner surfaces and more unmistakable air with your cat's health and happiness in mind. To refresh and maintain your litter box, add more Fresh Step scented cat litter every time you scoop. Number 4. Boxiecat. Boxiecat litter is the alternative clay litter for pet parents who recognize the unmatched benefits of clay but want healthier, more hygienic, and better performing litter for their feline family. Its effectiveness provides a noticeable difference compared with other litters. Customers report that cats take to Boxiecat right away, and it helps attract cats to use their litter box. Clumps hold together during scooping, making litter care a breeze. Boxiecat litter stays ultra clean even after weeks of scooping, creating a more inviting and better smelling litter box. Boxiecat granules are fine and soft on cats' sensitive paws but heavy, so they resist tracking from the pack. They also form smaller and lighter clumps, making Boxiecat litter longer lasting. Along with shallow dust, Boxiecat litter makes an effective and healthy choice for your feline family and home. Number 5. World's Best Cat Litter. Made with a natural plant ingredient for even more outstanding odor control, this multiple cat clumping litter is easy to scoop and proven flushable for simple cleanup. Having more than one cat shouldn't mean you have more to worry about. Your cats deserve the best clumping cat litter. It provides at least one litter box per cat. Place the box in a quiet place that can be easily accessed and is away from the cat food and water dishes. For best results, scoop clumps daily and maintain a depth of 2 to 3 inches of the world's best cat litter. Number 6. Dr. Elsey's. Consider Dr. Elsey's Precious Cat Litter if you're looking for a highly affordable cat litter brand and high quality. This brand offers a dozen unique formulas for cat litter to address specific issues, including non-use of the litter box, tracking, respiratory problems, and more. Aside from one silica gel formula, all of Dr. Elsey's cat litter recipes are made from 100% sodium bentonite clay to maximize clumping ability while minimizing dust and tracking. What sets Dr. Elsey's brand apart from other cat litter brands is that his formulas are uniquely designed to address specific issues. The brand offers cat litters to relieve respiratory problems, resolve litter box odors, and address kittens and senior cats' unique needs. You'll also find additional products such as a urine removal and cat litter attractants. Dr. Elsey's cat litter is made from premium clay materials to ensure superior clumping action. In addition to forming hard clumps on contact with urine and feces, this cat litter locks in odors. This cat litter has the ideal texture and particle size to suit your cat's preferences while also preventing clumps from breaking down and tracking throughout the house. These litters are not flushable, but the hard clumps are generally easy to scoop and discard. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.